Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are going to unbox these three smartphones here. These are Samsung Galaxy S8. These are for the Google Daydream headset and the Gear VR headset. So let's look at these boxes. These have already been unboxed, so there are no plastic covering, and these have been opened from here. All the seals are broken. However, let's look at the contents inside and the phones themselves. These are already 2 years old, but however, these have some capabilities to run, good capabilities to run VR content that are for the mobile devices. So let's look at the boxes. There are three different colors here. This one is coral blue, this one is rose pink, and this one is midnight black. So let's start with the coral blue one. As you can see, all of these are of the same configuration or specification. This has 5.8-inch display, Quad HD, Super AMOLED displays with dual pixel 12.5 megapixel and 8 megapixel, have autofocus and IP68 water and dust resistance, iris scanner, and some other specifications. However, the most important thing regarding the VR capabilities or installation of software and all that, that is the storage and the RAM. They have 64 gigabyte of memory, internal memory, and the 4 GB of RAM. So comparing these to the current market, these are very low. So it also has some good quality headphones that are actually tuned by the AKG, well-known speaker and headphone company. So let's look at the contents. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy S8, 64 gigabyte S8, and all these are kind of same. The tags are already still placed here all around. So let's take the contents out. Okay, you have to take it out like these. Here is the phone. This one is coral blue, beautiful color. The tags are already here, and plastic protective covering are here too. Haven't been used much, just opened to check the contents are okay or not. We will be doing the setup and running the APIs for the Google Daydream and the Samsung Gear VR on these phones. So stay tuned for future videos. Subscribe this channel, like, comment, and share our videos to support us. So let's look at the inside the box. What are the contents there? Here is the manual and SIM ejector tool. Inside this box, there are some headphones, the AKG headphones, and this is the charging cable, and this is the charging adapter. And inside this, there are also some converters, the OTG converter, sorry, and the micro USB to USB Type C converter here. So that's all the contents inside this box. I think all of these same devices have same contents, so we will just look inside and have a peek, and we'll close them off. So let's close these, put it aside, and let's look at the other devices. This one is the coral blue Samsung Galaxy S8 smartphone, and this one is rose pink, and same specifications and all that. So let's just take out this part. It has black here. The previous one has black here, and this one has white. Here is the phone itself. The color is very beautiful. This is rose pink. Let's put that aside. All the contents are same, I think. The adapter, the converter, and the OTG cable, the headphone, and the charging cable. The headphone is AKG certified, and also the body is braided, so this is very high quality headphones. Very good sound should come out of it. While in VR, you will need these to be more immersed, feel more immersed in the experiences. the Google Daydream store is not that rich, but the Samsung Gear VR store is much rich because it was supported by the Oculus store. I think the Google Daydream API is already been deprecated, meaning the current phones are not supported with this API, as the technology has already um, past its usage. So let's look at the last one. It is the black one, midnight black. If we, it is also white seal, and this is the phone itself, black. Let's put this in here, and all the contents are also same, I think. So let's just keep the inside from now. The most interesting thing is that these are of 3 different colors, and these can be separated easily. We will use the blue one for the Samsung Galaxy Gear VR headset, and this one, the pink one, for the Daydream headset, and the black one for all other purposes like the AR projects and all that. So let's start these for a small run, because these have been installed and software has been updated. Haven't been used that much, should have some charge left in them. Take some time to start, so let's start these to just have a look inside. Have some code. Okay, same code actually. For security reasons, the lab has put it like this. We will be running these and setting up the APIs soon, and videos regarding the setup process and all that will be covered. So please subscribe the channel to get the notifications, and if you have interest regarding these API and all that. So I think that's it for this video. So let's wait for the starting animation to pop up. So as you can see, the coral blue one has kind of same bluish theme. The pink one has kind of pinkish theme, and the black one has black. All according to the colors, Samsung has made the different themes. So I like the black one personally. So thank you very much for watching, and please support this channel. We will see you in our future videos. Have a great day.